Lesson 5.3, Formulas. Formulas are special equations in which the variables are assigned to specific values. Probably one of the most famous formulas that you've seen is E equals mc squared. E is energy, m is mass, and c is the speed of light. These variables have been assigned very specific values. Formulas can be used to calculate specific things such as area, perimeter, volume, distance, speed, and much more. As I said, you're very familiar with some formulas already. E equals mc squared, area is pi r squared, distance equals rate times time, and there's even more than that. You will need some formulas for some geometrical figures. Area of a rectangle is length times width. Perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width, or you can add up all the sides. Area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height, or you can do base times height divided by 2. Oh, I guess I already did that. That's what happens when I get ahead of myself. Area of a trapezoid is 1/2 the sum of the bases times the height, or you can do the sum of the bases times the height divided by 2. Area of a circle is pi r squared. Circumference or perimeter of a circle is pi d or 2 pi r. And the perimeter of any polygon is you add up the sides. Now in a trapezoid, the top is B1 and the bottom is B2. That's where those two bases come from. So finding the area and perimeter or circumference of each of the following figures. Okay, area of a rectangle is length times width, so that's going to be 14 times 6. So that's going to be 84 inches squared. The perimeter is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width, so that'll be 2 times 14 plus 2 times 6, so that'll be 28 plus 12, so that will be 40 inches. Area is always in units, squared, and perimeter is just units. Area of a trapezoid, I do the sum of the bases times the height divided by 2. Here's base 1, here's base 2, so I have 4 plus 7. The height is here, straight up and down, not the sides. So times 3 divided by 2, that's 11 times 3 divided by 2, 33 divided by 2, which is 16.5 centimeters squared. Perimeter is that I add up all the sides. So I went around and I did 5 plus 7 plus 4 plus 4. That's 12 and 8, which is 20 centimeters. Area of a triangle, base times height divided by 2, or 1/2 base times height. Base is 10 feet, height is 12 feet. So I get 120 divided by 2, which is going to give me 60 square feet. And the perimeter. Now I was not given this side, but since I wasn't given this side and this appears to be an isosceles triangle, I'm going to go ahead and say this was 16 feet. If it was not an isosceles triangle, I would not be able to do that. So 16 plus 16 plus 10 is 42 feet. And finally, we have our circle. Area is equal to pi r squared. Pi is 3.14 times 6 squared. That's 3.14 times 36. and that is 113.04 square inches. Our perimeter is either pi d or 2 pi r. Since I have radius, I'm going to do that. Again, pi is 3.14, so I have 2 times 3.14 times 6, and that'll give me 37.68 inches.